Hey, from the 6 News Weather Center, I'm Chief Meteorologist Andy Anderson. Very windy day for us today. Skirt alert. We had winds gusting to better than 40 miles an hour at times this afternoon. It is an indication that we've got a change in the weather coming. May see a few spotty showers east of I-35, more likely east of I-45, but there is a chance of some showers in the forecast for us tomorrow. Your holiday weekend, New Year's, looks like it's going to be pretty good. We'll have complete details coming up tonight at 5, 6, and 10. Join me then.